So I heard about LMB through, I think it was Checker Trade, and then we contacted LMB and we also asked for references. So we did visit someone who had previously had some work done in the local area, and they spoke very highly of LMB. So when we started out, we were very unsure if we could even accommodate a loft room. We've got limited roof space height, so we'd never realised or thought that we could have a loft space. So when Steve came initially to do the original consultation, he was brilliant. He went through the entire process. He told us about the steps to building a loft extension, and importantly, he assessed the loft as well, and he took some measurements and he gave us some real strong confidence that actually a loft extension in the space we had was entirely possible. What we liked about LMB was a methodical approach. So both Steve and the project team took us through everything. When we started the build, a WhatsApp group was set up with both the project management staff and staff from LMB, and we found the level of information to be excellent. So all the way through we were guided, there were no surprises. If we had any queries, any questions, we could easily pop it on the WhatsApp chat and pretty much there was an immediate response. The on-site team were brilliant, but it was also supported by the off-site team via the WhatsApp group. So we definitely recommend LMB. They were excellent throughout the whole process. It's very daunting taking on a large build like this, but LMB, they came with references, they came with guarantees. We really liked that they were open and honest with conversations. There were no surprises. Everything was very well laid out and we were kept informed of the process. So we definitely recommend working with LMB. What we also really liked is their aftercare or after build support. When there were little niggles, settling issues, they were very, very quick to respond and ensure they were resolved.